original front subframe from the E39.
Yeah, so we've just duplicated the front end of the E39. We remounted the subframe back to where it was previously. You know, we had to fit in brand new engine mounts in, and then we've got new gearbox mounts, and then we're going to work out where we're going to do the cross member, and then work back and get the wheelbase of the car right.
And this will obviously be tied up and stuff, I imagine.
Yeah, so we just dropped this off the car originally, so now we can rig it up and then start working out where we want it to be positioned.
Later.
We've got the BMW V8 out. We're just going to start cleaning it up now, get ready to position it in the chassis. Trying to work on it as clean as we can and get it ready for lining everything up for getting the rear axle in.
Sweet. We're just giving a little clean up then.
Yeah, make it nice and spangly.
Looks pretty horrible at the moment. So what's that degreaser?
This is engine degreaser. It's like a solvent based, and it will dissolve down with water, and it will just dissolve with all the oil and everything like that, and get it nice and clean for us. We're working on it. It's all clean.
6 hours later.
Oh, she looks like new now.
So that means much easier to work with now.
You feel the exhaust right in the water.
Yeah. I'm going to go for lifting it up into the chassis and just position it up and try and get it parallel, and then see what we'll make the gearbox mount for, really.
That's the original car, where part of the rear has come from. Doesn't look like much now. Looks like a fucking chop shop. So this was an E39 540 pre-facelift, which means it had the M62B44 V8 non-Vanos, and it also had a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is what we're using as a donor car. It's going to be pretty ideal.
Dead on there. Going down.
High five! Great!
Just trying to work out the position of the engine in the chassis, and then we can work out where we want to get the wheelbase right of the car, and then we can work out the angle of where the diff is to the engine, and work out where we want the rear end to be.
It looks so close, doesn't it?
Yeah. The prop shaft was nearly twice the length of that on the previous car.
That's crazy.
Off of here, 2 tangs up here and here like that, on the same plane as that, and then weld them down the side here. You have 2 webs coming off, which will hold that and then support it underneath.
Yeah, that'd be easy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Webbed off of there.
Yeah, like that, yeah.
Yeah, fucking piece of piss. This is roughly a nice size to go in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we can bring that down anyway.
Yeah.
Cut that out, put a bit of flat in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, done.
2 hours later.
I blow it out.
Just making the braces for the rear mounts on the gearboxes. We're trying to allow for the exhaust to come underneath here in the middle and not obtrude the gearbox tunnel really. So just tapped it there. Nice. Just going to countersink now and take the burrs off the edge just so it screws in nicely.
Tapped in place now.
Tapped in place now.
Good. Got gearbox mounts.
Things I know it'll strengthen the chassis up by having something going through there, but you've got 4 points of contact there bolted,
Yeah.
isn't you?
Yeah.
That's going to be welded and bolted. Once you get a prop in that lined up, we could always run something else.
Yeah, later, yeah.
That will be done in the car.
Yeah.
That's a wrap for tonight. Done with the front end, gearbox mounts in, engine mounts in, and next time we'll be working on the rear end. When are you going back, Briggs?
Yeah, back Thursday night probably.
Back Thursday.
Yeah.
To do this.
Yeah.